Hi everybody, Linnea here from Linnea's Kitchen. Also with Miss Madeline, my little sous chef. And today we'll be showing you how to make some pumpkin pancakes, one of Madeline's favorites. Let's get started. All right, first you'll add 1.5 cups of pumpkin puree into a large mixing bowl. Then you'll add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 egg, and 2 cups of whole milk. Perfect. Then you want to combine all the ingredients with a whisk. It's even a little bit more fun if you have tiny little arms to do it. Next, add all the dry ingredients to the wet. Add 2 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. In the drop box below will be a recipe for you to create your own. Whisk all of the dry ingredients together until they're fully combined. All right, now that we're all mixed up, we're gonna go ahead and heat up our flat top. You wanna heat it up to more of like a medium to medium-low heat. If you don't have a flat top at home, go ahead and heat up your griddle or a saute pan. Spray a very fair amount of cooking spray to your cooking surface. Then scoop your batter onto the flat top and allow to cook for 2 minutes on each side. Flip her over. Good job. You want me to do it? Add any toppings of your choice. We added salted caramel sauce, pecans, and then dusted them with powdered sugar.
It tastes snow.
Thanks everybody for watching our video. I think we did a pretty good job, don't you? One more time. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe to our video and leave a comment below if there's anything else that you want us to do and make and team up, right? Thank you so much. All right, what do you think we should do? Let's eat.
Okay.